welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to discuss something that's been affecting me for a really long time, and a lot of you have noticed, and you are not ashamed to let me know. Like, I don't know. I know. I'm here to let you know today that I know. Dandruff. First of all, did you know that dandruff affects 70% of the population? I'm assuming it's American population. I just googled it. I really don't know. Anyways, I wanted to come on and talk about my struggle with dandruff. I've been struggling with dandruff, itchy scalp, dry scalp, whatever you want to call it, for a really long time. I want to say over 4 years now. At first, I thought it was because I use a lot of different products. I tried to get to the root of the issue. I stopped using heavy products that possibly could have caused buildup, and that did not work. Over the years, I've used a lot of different things, and one thing I realized is that having dry, 4C hair does not mesh very well with dandruff, because all of the remedies on the market are really harsh, and they are really harsh on my hair. So they will dry out my hair to the point that my hair will crack and fall off, and not really helping my dandruff. So I've used all over the shampoos, over the counters, Head and Shoulders, Neutrogena. I've used things that have a little bit of medications in them. So what is it? Tar, salicylic acid. I've used a lot of different things, and I find that nothing has really worked for me like this natural do-it-yourself recipe. So I've been using this thing for, I want to say, a couple of months now, and I've seen the best result with it. And on top of that, it's really gentle on my hair. It's not drying out my hair. And on top of that, apparently it's supposed to help with hair growth. So, I mean, I want to use it a little bit longer before I say that it helped grow my hair. I wouldn't associate my hair growth with this do-it-yourself recipe, but I can honestly say it's not making my hair fall off, so I'm happy.
Alright, so let's get into this recipe. You'll need 1 onion, a few cloves of garlic. You'll also need some cayenne pepper. You have to be careful with garlic. Typically, I use the already mashed garlic, so the garlic paste. For the purpose of this video, I decided to use the actual cloves of garlic, but be careful with this because it's very hard to actually blend those into a paste, and then you end up with flakes in your hair. So I did have little pieces of garlic left in my hair, which you'll see at the end of the video, but just be careful. If you mash your garlic first, maybe you can avoid that, or you can just buy the garlic that's already mashed up for you. Anyways, food for thoughts. So once you have your paste, you go ahead and apply it to your scalp. Make sure that you cover your entire scalp with it. And I take the opportunity to give myself a really good scalp massage. You will feel the cayenne pepper get a little, not hot, but you know, hot on your scalp. I actually really love that feeling. So once you go ahead and put this on your hair, you'll have to let it sit, girl. Yes, let it sit for 2 hours. I literally just do this in the morning, do my chores, clean the house, etc., and then I hop in the shower and I rinse it out. This is what my hair looks like. Like I said, I did have just a little bit of garlic pieces left in my hair. Not to fret, they come out, and you can see how healthy my scalp looks, and this is what I'm mostly concerned about. I go ahead and finish off my hair routine. If you are interested, I do have a video on that. I'll link it down below.
Did you like it? Did you like it? I'm so excited to show you guys this thing because it helped me so much. Keep in mind that this is something you need to be consistent with. It's not a cure. It's not going to cure your dandruff by just using it one time. You have to be consistent with it, and once I've been literally keeping up with it, I want to say every week, sometimes every other week. Once I stay consistent with it, I really don't get any flare-ups. I don't get any flakes, so I'm happy with that. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the bell button below so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye! It is so hot in here, you guys. Oh my god, my makeup is like melting off. I'm gonna get up out of here. I am going to do my hair. I have some new products that I'm going to use. I'm most likely going to film it, so stay tuned for more hair videos. You guys love my hair videos. Y'all don't watch any other kind of videos that I put out unless it's a hair video. My makeup turned out good though, I think. Like, look at this neutral look I'm giving you. Serve face, girl. And I did it so quickly, I was like, pop, 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 pop. Beat my face. Quick things. Quick things. This is going to be my thumbnail picture.